Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is surface area of prisms, and our objective is how you can find the surface area of prisms. First of all, we have to know what's the kind of prisms we have to find the surface area. The three kind of prisms, the first one is the cubes, then rectangular prism, and last triangular prism. Okay, in this example here in the solvent share, Marianne orders bag of shipping boxes shaped like cubes. When they arrive, she finds the flat pieces of cardboard as shown below. What is the least amount of cardboard need to make each box? Okay, first of all, we have to find the area for each square, which is 81, okay? And all of them 81, okay? So you multiply the 81 by 6, you get 486 inch square. Okay, now let me learn you how to find the cube's surface area. First of all, let us agree about something. I will draw a square, or consider it square because my drawing is not 100%. Okay, this is a square, okay, and I will make a cube like this. Okay, I try to do my best, my dear students, and let us agree that we can see three faces. When I say three faces, I mean three squares I can see. The front one, and the right one, and the top one. So guys, I can see three faces or three squares, and I cannot see three faces or three squares. There are a hidden three squares. Which one? Yes, the back one, which is opposite with the front, and the opposite of the right square, which is the left square, and the bottom one, which is down. Okay, so I find 6 squares, and by your experience you know that the square has 4 equal sides. That means the area can find by one given. For example, if it is 5, one side is given here 5, for example, that means the area for the 3 squares that you can see, which is the front and the right and the top, are equal. Okay, how we can find the area for any square? Yes, side by side. Good. Side by side equal the area of square. 5 by 5 give me 25. Okay, so this is 25. Because of that, all the areas are 25. So the area for the squares that I can see, it is 25 plus 25 plus 25. What about the 3 squares that I cannot see, which is the back, the left, and the down, the bottom? Yes, it is also 25. So plus 25, sorry, plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. So how many 25 I have? I have 6. So the answer here is 150. Instead of adding, we just multiply the 125 by 6. You get 150, for example, meter. Okay, meter square. So this is regarding to the cube. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now let us go to the rectangular prism. Okay, now we will study the rectangular prism. And the rectangular prism come from where? From 6 rectangles. Okay, from 6 rectangles. As you see here, you see 6 rectangles. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. Now we try to find this one, and we learned how to find the surface area for the rectangular prism. This is rectangular prism, okay? And we call this what? Remember, it is net. And this net, we can create a solid. And which solid we can create? Yes, triangular prism. Now, what is the strategy to find to find the surface area for any rectangular prism? First of all, determine or decide where is the front and the right and the top. So I will find the area for the front, and then the right, and last the top. Let us start with the front. The front, I need the dimensions for the front rectangle. What I mean by dimensions? Teacher, what is the dimensions? That mean the length and the width. So you have to find the horizontal and the vertical dimensions, okay, which we call it length and width for rectangle. Okay, so the length is 10 and the height, or the width is 3. Okay, my dear students, again, the length is 10 and the width is 3. Don't mention the 6 here, okay, because it is not belong to the front square. Okay, my dear student. So how we can find it? 10 by 3 equal 30. We're done from the front. Now go to the right. The right here. This is the right rectangle. I need the dimension of it. One horizontal, one vertical. Remember, this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. The horizontal is 6. Good. And the vertical, there is no number. Okay, don't take the 10 because it is close to the right rectangle. Be careful. You take the opposite of this side. What is the opposite? This one, but there is no number, and this one. Okay, so it is 3. Yes, good, good. So it is 3. So 3 by 6 equal 18. So this is 18. And this is 30 from the beginning. Now the top one. Teacher, there is no numbers. This is the top. There is no numbers. Okay? There is no number, not the 18 and the 30. There is not. There is no dimensions. How I can find it? Find them. Yes, you will find them. Wait. Wait. You need horizontal and vertical. This is the horizontal and this is the vertical. Okay. The horizontal one. It is meet what? Opposite with what? See? This opposite with this. And this. This is no number. This is have a number 10. So the first dimension is 10. The second dimension, this one, this meet with this one, and meet with this one, or opposite with this one. So all of them are 6. Okay, so the second dimension is 6. 6 by 10 equals 60. Okay, 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 so this is 60, and this is 30, and this is 18. Add them all. Okay, okay, so what you can see, the 3 rectangles you can see, 30 plus 60 plus 18. And the 3 rectangles you cannot see, also 30, that meet the front, plus 60 that meet the top, which is the bottom, and 18. Okay, okay, my dear student. So you add them all, you will get 216 meter square. Let us take another example here. Okay, again we determine the front. This is the front rectangle, and this is the right, and this is the top. We find the area for the 3 rectangles here. Okay, we start with the front. Okay, determine the dimensions for the front one. Let us do it. Okay, this is the rectangle, by the way. See, I need the dimension. Okay, this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. The horizontal, it is 10, and the vertical opposite with what? There is no number, teacher. Yes, you get it from where? From this one, which is 15. So 10 by 15 equal 150. Okay, my dear student, we finish from the front. It is 150. Now we go to the right one, which is here. This is the rectangle. Okay, we have horizontal and vertical. The horizontal one, it's this, and the vertical dimension, it is this, length and width. So it is 5 by 15 equal 75. And here 150. And the top one here, okay, I have no dimensions, but as you see, the horizontal one, it is here, and it is equal 10, and the vertical one, it is 5. 10 by 5 equal 50. So the rectangle that can I see them, you add them, 150 plus 75 plus 50. And the 3 rectangles, the back, the left, and the bottom down, that we cannot see them, 150, yes. Duplicate each rectangle area. Okay, add them all, you will get 550 centimeters square. Okay, my dear students, one example more. Okay, let us take this one. Front, right, and top. The front one, Find the front one. Where is the horizontal? The vertical? Ray, find it. I have the numbers. Yes, I have 8, but here I don't have this side. I bring it from where? From here. So it is 6. 6 by 8, 48. Now the right one here. What is the length and the width? Is clearly 5 and 6, which is 30. Now the top one, there is no dimensions, no numbers. I get them, so I defined or I determine the horizontal and the vertical. This line, I get it from where? From here, which is 8. And this side, I get it from down here, which is 5. Okay, 5 by 8 equal 40. So the 3 rectangles that I can see them, it is 48 plus 30 plus 40. And the 3 rectangles that I cannot see them, which is the back, the left, and the bottom, also 48 plus 30 plus 40. Add them all, you will get 236. Let us try. Yes, I think so. Let us try to add them. We have 80 here, and we have 60 here, so 140 plus 96, yes, equal 236. Now we finish from the cube and the rectangular prism, and we know now the strategy to find the surface area for the cubes and the rectangular prism. Now we are moving to find the surface area for the triangular prism and find out what is the strategy to find out the triangular prism. Okay, let us take one example from here. For example, this one. Without draw the net of this one, we can do it easily. First of all, you have to understand that any triangular prism has two identical triangle. Two identical triangle. Identical means the same. So I find one, okay, that means I find the other one or the second one. First of all, let us find the area of this triangle. It is base by height over 2, yes. So it is 9 multiply 12. Let me write 9 multiply by 12 base by height over 2. That means it is equal 108 over 2, which equal 54. Okay, so by do calculation, some calculations, it is 54. That means this triangle, it is also 54. Okay, my dear students, so the first step, find the triangle's area. Secondly, see what I have to do. I find the missing, I have 2 dimensions for this rectangle. Find the third one, which I mean this one, the hypotenuse. Okay, in this case, because it is a right triangle, as you know. So it is coming from where? This one, sorry, this one equal this one, which is 15. Good. So find the missing or the third side for the triangle, and start working like this. To find out the area for the rest three rectangles, okay, is 12 multiply 18 and plus 5 multiply 18 or 15 multiply 18 plus 9 multiply 18. Okay, and we have before 54 for each. Okay, that's mean 100 plus 108. After you do the calculation, you will find it 756. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now let us take another one and apply the strategy. Okay, I learn you here the strategy more than learn you the calculation. Okay, my dear students, and please pay attention. First of all, we find the area for the triangle, one triangle. So base by height over 2. So 4 multiply 3 over 2, okay, equal 12. 4 multiply 3 over 2 equal 12 over 2 equals 6. So I'm done from the two triangles. I'm done. Now we said how many rectangles we have? We have 3 rectangles, okay? The area for the 3 rectangles, see how I can find them. I find the missing side, which is this. I get it from where? Good, from here. So it is 5. So I have the 3 sides of the triangle. What is the 3 sides? 3 and 5 and 4. And I start. Multiply 5 multiply 6 plus 3 multiply 6 plus 4 multiply 6 okay, again and repeat for you again, my dear students. See, first of all, I find the area of triangles, the two triangles. As we know here, let you learn you something. Any triangular prism consists of 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. Any triangular prism, 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Okay, remember this. 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Good. Come back here again. I find the area for the triangles. 3 by 4. This is the base and this is the height for the triangle. 3 by 4 over 2 equals 6. Okay, so this is 6 and this is also 6. We done from the triangles. Now we find out the missing side for this one, which is come from this side, which is 5. So I find the missing or the third side of triangle. Why? To make it easy. Now I have three sides. Each side I multiply it by the height here. Each side of triangle I multiply it by 6. So the first triangle, it is 4 multiply 6. We done. 4 multiply 6. The second triangle, 5 multiply 6. The third rectangle, sorry, I'm talking about again. 4 by 6 give me the first rectangle here. Correct me if I made any mistake, okay? The second rectangle is 5 multiply 6. The third rectangle, it is 3 multiply 6. So teacher, you multiply the sides of rectangle by the height. Yes, because of that I bring the third side from here, which is 5. So you can bring it from the beginning, doesn't matter. Okay, so all of them multiply by 6. What is the 6? It is the height of the triangular prism. Okay, now do the sum calculation. 12 plus 24 plus 30 plus 18. Add them, you get 84. Okay, my dear students, is that clear? I hope so. Okay. This one, I find the area for the triangle. What is the area for this triangle? 8 by 6 over 2. So 8 by 6 equal 48 divided by 2 equal 24. This is the first triangle, and this is for the second triangle, which is hidden here. Okay, I'm done from the triangle. What is the next step, my dear students? You have to bring the third side for the triangle, but here, as you see, I cannot get it. Okay, but by Pythagorean theorem I can get it. 6 square plus 8 square under square root, you can get it. Here I have to calculate 3 rectangles, and here by this figure it is clear. The first rectangle, the big one, okay, which is 5 multiply 8, this one in the base, in the bottom, it is 40, plus the second rectangle, it is this one, okay, which equal, yes, it is 10 already. Yes, it is 10. So here the 10 here, it is for this one, by the way, and this is give me a chance. See, because it is given, this is 10. Good. So directly 10. Now we start. The 3 dimension is given, yes, which is 10, 6 and 8. Okay, that's make easy. So the first side of rectangle multiply the height. Each side by height give me one rectangle. Let us start with the 8. 8 by 5, 40, plus 6 by 5, 30, plus 10 by 5 equal 50. So we add all. Okay, 50 plus 30 plus, it is 120. 120 plus 48. So it is 168. Again, my dear students, here is given. Again, we find the area for triangle, which is 8 by 6. Remember, base by height. equal 48 over 2, 24. This is the area for this triangle. The area for the second triangle, it is the same area. Don't calculate it. We done. Now the missing this, the hypotenuse here, it is given. It is 10. So no need to bring it. It is exist already. So I have the sides of the length of the three sides of this triangle is 10, 8, and 6. We multiply them by one by the height of the triangular prism, which is 5. Let us start. 8 by 5 give me 40 plus. We done from the 8. What is the next? Yes, the 6. 6 by 5 30. What is the next? 10 by 5 it is 50. Okay, my dear students, we're done. We find 3 rectangles. This is the first one. It is come from 8 by 5, the first rectangle. The second rectangle come from 6 multiply 5, which is 30. And the third one come from 10 multiply 5, which is 50. Okay, my dear students, add them, you get 168. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit from me. And goodbye, my dear student, and see you later, my little alligators. Goodbye.